Hello YouTube, it's Jamie here, and now I'm going to show you how to make a hill start. This bloody phone. Last video on the gearing, the how to ride the motorcycle bit didn't really go too well. All because got a tosser that came right out in front of me with the truck. Because truckers don't care about bikers. Matter of fact, neither any fucker else on the road, so they all hate us. But we hate them too. Right. Just need to get up to a hill now. I'm at the top of here. So here we are. Go on this side. Right. So we're in neutral. Back brake on because we're going up a hill. Put the back brake on. Now what you do is exactly the same as pulling off normally, but you gotta give it a bit more throttle. You need to be a bit more careful with the clutch. So, kicked it down into first. As you let go, just roll down. So, can your engine going? You give it a bit more throttle, bit of throttle. Just. I'll demonstrate that again. Roll back down a bit. Right. So, release clutch. Release clutch. Just ready to stall. So you give it a bit more gas. Oh. Oh, I nearly stalled. Right there. Yeah, you need to give it a bit more throttle than I just did then. Well, I would do a U-turn, I never knew I would be able to do them. So we'll do it again. Now we'll just leave the indicator and see where this guy's going. Right. So, foot on the back brake, release clutch out, give it a bit more throttle. I really do hope you've learned something from this, because this is how I found out all my stuff. How I learned how to run how I learned how to ride a motorbike. Thanks to Mod F13, Rebel Unite 1 and Blinker Cab. So if you could probably check out their pages, they could probably give you a lot more advice than I could. But yeah, thanks for watching.